Hi guys.
It's Korean Sue here.
Yeah, today we're gonna have pan mee.
I like to eat.
Yeah. Pan mee is basically, in English, it's called flat noodles.
Yummy. It's so good.
Let's eat.
So the typical pan mee is usually served with mushroom, minced pork, some anchovies and vegetables. Malay it's called sayur manis. So you can see this flat noodle. What's so special about this pan mee is that it comes in a long strip.
So I ordered the dry version of the pan mee, and it comes exactly the same except it's dry with the black sauce. You'll also get a little bowl of soup. Doesn't really fully feed my spoon. All in one bite. So yummy. You can always add some chili, some more. Just add it into your noodles. And it's also a good idea to put in the dry chili flakes as well. This gives it a little bit of a crispy texture to your noodles. And then mix it up. Alright, so now with the chili. Oh, that's spice. It is spicy, but very nice.
So that's all for our delicious meal today.
Yeah, we will share the location in the description below. If you have a chance, do come here for a nice tasty meal. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us. See you guys!